I'm Tish and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about why Calgary has to be on one of your top places to invest for 2022 and 2023. There's a lot of changes that have been happening in the Calgary region, especially since we've been seeing a bit of a downturn in the overall real estate market across North America. Calgary has actually been just blowing up in terms of immigration rates, in terms of tech companies that are opening up shop there, in terms of the number of sales, days on market down to about 40 on average right now, which is really low in comparison to what we're seeing across other regions. And there's just so much spectacular things that are happening in the Calgary region. Price growth is just insane. So super excited to talk about why you have to consider Calgary as a potential investment city. But first, be sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. I'm going to go through 10 reasons why you must consider Calgary as an investment city to invest in. So be sure to stay for number one, because number one is going to be the most important reason why. That's what's going to make you the most money, guys. So be sure to stay. And yeah, let's get started. So 10 is positive net migration. So there has been continuous growth in the Calgary region, and that's because of many reasons. There's a lot of job opportunities that are currently happening within the Calgary area. There's, of course, the affordability. I mean, you can pretty much buy a house for a fraction of the cost that you can buy a house for in the GTA. There's a lot of amenities and entertainment and great schools that are within the Calgary region that just makes it a very desirable place to live. So that's probably why you're going to continue to see that positive net migration for many years to come within the Calgary area. For 9, it's GDP growth, so 6% is expected in 2021. Better to lead national growth over the next 4 years. Not surprised there. That will continue to increase into 2022 and 2023. 8 is the highest wages in Canada. So right now there's supposed to be 30,000 jobs created back in 2021. I'm sure that that's way now surpassed that. I know Amazon's opening up shop, TELUS, Rogers, like there's a ton of tech companies that are opening up shop in the Calgary region because their tax costs are a lot lower than other parts of Canada. There's a lot of new immigrants that have a tech background that are coming to the Calgary region. So there's a lot of opportunity to employ those people. And the rental rates are a lot lower in the Calgary region than what it was even just a couple of years ago. And that's because of the slowdown in the oil and gas industry. So rental rates did drop from the commercial side of things, but have definitely increased from the residential side of things. Rental rates have gone up about 25% year over year in Calgary for residential real estate. So the demand is just insane, and there's not enough housing inventory to meet that demand. So rental rates are expected to continue to go up. But I don't want to get ahead of myself because I tend to do that. So let's go into 7. So there's no HST. So no HST on new construction. You only pay 5% of GST, which is a big change in comparison to Ontario. So you have some cost savings there, which is huge. Calgary is pro-landlord, so they are definitely in favor of the landlord. They favor landlords and the investor, and that's definitely the complete opposite in Ontario. Let's be real, the landlord and tenant board very much favor tenants, unless there's significant, reason why the landlord is in the wrong. For the most part, they do very much favor the tenants. So that kind of provides a bit of ease as an investor. And a lot of the investment opportunities that are in Calgary are very hands-off. These builders have created rental guarantees. They've provided property management services. They provided wire transfer options for paying your deposit, paying your down payment. That just make it such a seamless, easy process to invest. which I think is great. And that's why we have so many people in the GTA that are investing in the Calgary region. And the deposit structures are as low as like 5%. Like, it's incredible. Again, no rent control, so there's no limit on the amount that a landlord can demand for leasing a home, which is not the case here in the GTA. 4, rental rates are increasing. So it was 5% back from 2019 to 2020. Now from 2021 to 2022, it's increased 25%. Like, that's insane. That's a big jump, and it's going to continue to increase because inventory is so low and they have such a massive amount of new immigrants coming to the area. Record low vacancy rate. So there's, just not enough inventory, not even for housing, to meet the amount of people that need a place to live. And because of that, there's a record low vacancy rate, which is a good thing in a sense. There's also the land transfer tax, so that saves you thousands on provincial and municipal land transfer taxes. So a lot of opportunity for cost savings. And number 1, if you stuck around long enough, you got the sauce, the secret sauce, is affordability. Guys, you can buy in the Calgary region for as little as in the 200s. You can get 2-bedroom condo as an investment in the 300s. Guys, I mean, it's unheard of. Like, these prices are unheard of in GTA. And deposits as low as 5%. And we have pre-construction opportunities that are just really, really hassle-free. We have closings from 2023 up until 2027. And the good thing is that these are providing positive cash flow opportunities. Like, I can do the analysis with you. If you book a call with me, reach out to me for more information on what I'm talking about. But there's cash flow analysis that we do. Our investors are making anywhere between $200 to $500 plus a month positive cash flow. When you're investing in the GTA, sometimes you're lucky to even break even. It's not common to see cash flow on an investment that early, but for the most part in the Calgary region, if you're buying a property, you can expect some cash flow because the rental rates are on the higher end and the cost of these homes are a lot lower. So, everyone's talking about passive income, residual income. Working a 9 to 5 and having a pension isn't enough. I mean, look at the cost of inflation. So having these type of investment opportunities, and if you buy 3 properties and they're each cash flowing at $500 a month, guess what? That's $1,500 a month extra in your pocket. And builders are taking care of property management. They're taking care of helping you to find a tenant. They're guaranteeing the rent. So, I mean, it's a no-brainer when it comes to affordability in Calgary, and that's why that's number 1. And there's, of course, that equity potential, which gives you leverage and being able to use that money to, improve your living situation here in Ontario, from Ontario to GTA, or, just be able to provide a better, future for you and your family and create that generational wealth that is so very important. So if you want more information on the cash flow analysis, on projects that we have, guys, we have projects starting from the 200s, 5% deposit. I mean, for now, pricing's going up. So if you contact me too late, you may have missed the boat because pricing's going up. So don't wait too long. And thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications. And my contact information is in the description. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'd love to help. Have a wonderful day. Bye.